so art deco, out on the floor, shining like gunmetal.
Yeah. Yes. Let's go outside. So we basically gonna put it outside for how long?
I don't know.
Half an hour.
Probably.
Right. Put it on the chair. Right.
Oh my god.
What time is it? Go get it. So we set up the time.
It's 20 minutes past. 20 minutes past 1.
Right. Okay. 20 minutes past. I'll set up to half an hour.
Half an hour?
Yep. Like in the next half an hour. Gonna try to fry an egg.
30 minutes then?
Yes. Gonna try to fry an egg from this pot.
Or should I just move it?
Alright, half an hour. Yeah, just move it on the floor actually because I want to see in that chair while we wait. Yeah, just put anywhere on the floor.
Yeah, that's in the shades. My feet so windy.
Yes, right, okay. So, half an hour we're gonna fry an egg. See. Alright, my lovely people. So we got 5 minutes, 5 more minutes to go and then we're gonna see the magic. Just grab an egg and from any. Can you reach?
No.
Okay. Uh-oh. Judge that. Right. One. Right. I'll put that back. You hold it. Right. We got the egg.
Yes. How does this?
I don't know, just crack it.
Okay.
Yep. And then so half an hour.
Okay.
Oh, it's time to eat.
It's been
Right.
20 minutes.
It's been 20 minutes so far,
So
and
I
this
should
is
20
the
minutes.
progress of the egg. So we're gonna leave it for, well, until it's cooked anyway. We're just gonna
Yeah,
update you
and
guys
then
with the time.
Let's go and eat them, and you know.
Don't come. Alright, so this is after 1 hour, innit? Because they have